All right, guys, welcome to a what is this called? Daily recap. Oh, it's been such a long time that I didn't even know. And yeah, there was actually one thing I was looking for today, and it was longs. And there was kind of a long, kind of not. Was not really confident, not really. How do you say it? Was not really not confident, but I don't know the word. Can't get the word. How do you say that? It's not completely satisfied. I don't know how to say it, but anyway, just not it with the entry drill and all that. So, but we'll dive into it straight from here, this level. So I said I want to see DXY come above here and then give us the move. Well, guess what? We came above there and we got the move, just not I wanted it. Although on the DXY, we can clearly see that over here we have early sellers. That's the most ugly straight line I've ever seen. There we go. So we have early sellers over here. Early sellers taken out. And what can we see if we zoom in? Let's use the replay tool. That there's no entry. So this is pre-Frankfurt, Frankfurt open, and then we have a bearish break. I hate it with this. I don't hate it. I just don't like it. It's such a negative thing to say hate. I just don't like it with this arrow tool. But they put it there. But we got the early sellers. We can see clearly see they broke below here. Essentially, just respect this. I really need to just use my thingy here. Can clearly see that we respect that order block there. Price came up, ranged, gave a little break here after it came above here. So actually, you could have maybe said like, okay, we got a low, bearish break, highs taken out. Then we got the minor break. So let's use this one. And you enter from here. But if you just be patient and do what you said you would do, and let's wait for that high to be taken. Seeker price came above, then gave the move, and then didn't provide us with an entry. We wait. London open. Then we wait for that London swing. But because we took the high time frame liquidity over here, our London swing is actually formed right there. So yeah, that's our London swing. And we missed it. Well, we didn't miss it. There was just no entry. I think I filled my shave and stuff again. So that would mean longs for EU around that same time. So what time was that? We took liquidity 6:53. So around Frankfurt Open, just before Frankfurt Open. And what can we see? Oh, there's not really early buyers. There is a set of early buyers, but it's just not. It's super intricate. We look here. So that's the last high that led to a low. However, I took this one. It's my last one, and then we got that break, and we still respected this high that led to that low. So therefore, I was waiting price to come above here, then come to the downside, and then give me the move. If you class this as your early buyers, however, you have a very valid move, and then you have a very nice entry, but it was too intricate for me. If we go to the 5 minutes, well, we can see that there's nothing, so too intricate for me. But nonetheless, this is still valid. So let's give it one pip here. 17.27. You can see that you have to wait for price here. And because price is not coming above yet, you could class this as your liquidity. So we got 1, 2, three highs. We had this one here, 0.583. Then target Asia highs. Minus 1 to 6 already. But essentially you had to wait for Frankfurt Open. And you know that Frankfurt Open is usually that trick move. So that's why I was not confident that this was my early buyers, but this would be my early buyers. Then give me a move like this. Come above, get below. And this is what I said in my pre-market analysis. And then get the entry from this area. Didn't happen. No trade for me on EU. Let's clean this up. Let's go to the 15. Let's remove the replay tool. And let's see what happened after that. So then we reacted from this area right there. If we just zoom in again. Pretty much same story, although we have a clear set of early sellers. As we approach Asia highs, come above here, we get a bearish break. I'm just going to use this one. We get this bearish break here. Oh, now it's becoming a mess. We have this bearish break, get below there. Then we come above, and then you could class this as a break, but again, it's so minor. Why would you not wait like at least for this one to be taken? And if you did that, then this would have been your entry area, or you could have taken like all the way from that up to that high, and then short in New York, coming just above that liquidity there, taking the internal highs, and then providing a move from there. There we go. Yeah, so then the trade comes from there after that break, and essentially building up liquidity here to the downside. And we wait for that to be taken out. So perfectly lining up. No trade on EU for me today. This was outside of my trading time anyway. That break, that entry there. Early sellers was nice, but I was not looking at this area at all. Why? Because if we zoom out, we know that we were below all these lows here, and we were nowhere near the premium of this bearish most recent structure. And I didn't feel like shorting here as we were already below that. So no short there for me. Then GU, my bad. I think it's pretty much the same story though. Yeah. The early buyers were a bit cleaner. If you look at this, we get a high, low, lower, high. So actually you get early buyers here, but it's not valid. But then we come here. It's very intricate as well. Oh, sorry. Let that move up. There, taking out that high. Essentially even this one. Taking out a couple highs. High, low. And then we were building up liquidity here. As you can see. But we got the move nonetheless. So actually after this break, you get your entry. And yeah. Could be. It's better than EU, at least with this one. Then the trade will come like this. So 5, 6, 6, 6. Stop below there. 5,964. Actually decent. Super trade. Decent trade. Oh, it's actually super clean. If you go to the 5 minute as well. But you want to see that early seller move essentially before you want to no, like this could be, it actually isn't because it's above this one, so that's not your early buyer. There's no early buyers here, so there's no early buyers at all except for this minor one, and it's too minor if you ask me. So no entry on GU either. You can see that after that it came below, then broke above, and now it's respecting that actually. So I keep looking for the arrow at the line area. The line toolbox. Now we have some move there, but no trades, nothing there. So let's wait for tomorrow. This is the daily recap. There's nothing more to it. No trades. So catch you guys later. Peace out.